If you're seeing Premiere Pro error code 2, don't worry. In most cases, this is a rendering or export problem, and it usually comes down to GPU acceleration, a bad media file, an incompatible effect, or a project setting that needs to be changed. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to exporting your project without the headache. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro fixes, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. First, let's talk about the most common cause. Premiere Pro error code 2 can happen when your system runs out of disk space during export, so before you change anything else, check your storage. Make sure your drive has enough free space for the export, because Premiere needs extra room for temporary files, previews, and cache data. If your drive is nearly full, delete unused files or export to a different location with more space. Next, check your file names and project names. Unsupported characters can sometimes trigger export problems. If your project name, sequence name, or export file name includes special symbols, strange punctuation, or characters that your system doesn't like, rename them using simple letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores. This may sound small, but it can save you from a frustrating error code. If you're getting error code 2 during an install or update rather than during export, then the issue may be with Adobe Creative Cloud itself. In that case, the Adobe Genuine Client package could be broken, and the fix is usually to reinstall Creative Cloud so the installation components are repaired properly. But if your problem is happening while rendering or exporting a video, keep following the steps in this tutorial. Now let's move on to one of the best fixes, switching to software rendering. Open Premiere Pro, go to File, then Project Settings, then General. Under Renderer, change it from GPU acceleration to Mercury Playback Engine software only. After that, restart Premiere Pro and try exporting again. This forces Premiere to use your CPU instead of the GPU, which is a great way to test whether your graphics acceleration is causing the problem. If the export still fails, the next thing to change is your preview format. Go to Sequence, then Sequence Settings, and look for the Video Preview settings. Change the preview format to QuickTime and set the codec to Apple ProRes 422. This can make preview handling more stable and help with problematic sequences, especially in more complex timelines. Another important step is updating your GPU drivers. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, make sure you're on the latest studio driver, not just any generic driver version. Outdated or unstable GPU drivers can easily cause rendering errors in Premiere Pro. Go to the official NVIDIA driver page, download the latest studio driver, install it, restart your computer, and then test the export again. Now let's find out whether a specific clip or section of your timeline is causing the issue. Premiere Pro usually gives you a timecode when an error happens. Pay close attention to that timecode, then go directly to that point in the timeline. That area often contains corrupt media, a heavy effect, or a broken frame. Set an in and out around that section and try rendering or exporting just that part first. If it works in smaller pieces, you've probably located the problem area. If you suspect corrupted cache files, clearing the media cache is another very effective fix. Go to Preferences, then Media Cache, and click Remove Media Cache Files. This deletes old temporary data that may be conflicting with your project. After clearing the cache, restart Premiere Pro and try again. A stale or corrupted cache is a common reason exports start failing without warning. Now let's look at effects. Sometimes a single effect is the real reason behind error code 2. Effects like warp stabilizer, certain blurs, noise reduction, or other heavy GPU-based effects can fail during export. If you think one effect is causing the issue, disable it temporarily and test the export. If that fixes it, you can either remove the effect, simplify it, or nest the clip to make the timeline more stable. If you've tried all of that and Premiere still won't export properly, there's one more powerful workaround. Export as ProRes first. Instead of exporting directly to H.264, choose QuickTime and use the Apple ProRes 422 preset. This creates a high-quality intermediate file that is often much easier for Premiere to render successfully. Once that export is complete, you can convert the ProRes file to MP4 if needed for upload or sharing. So to quickly recap, if you get Premiere Pro error code 2, check your disk space, remove unsupported characters, switch to software rendering, update your GPU drivers, clear your media cache, inspect the timecode area for corrupt media, disable problematic effects, and try exporting as ProRes. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix Premiere Pro errors, media encoder errors, or timeline playback lag. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.